Welcome. In this video I will show you how to check the exact model name of your LENOVO 14e Chromebook. The model name of this laptop is located on the back cover of it, so if you take a look at the back cover of your device, you'll be able to spot the model name at the top of the data label for this device. So for me, it's LENOVO 14e Chromebook Generation 2. We also have some data like serial number, manufacturing date, and model number in this place. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.